Today we have a Prescott. This is a 1568 square foot home. It has 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It depends if you want to use the 3rd bedroom as an office or not, which I'll show you in a bit. This home is getting ready to be moved, so you'll see a lot on the floors. In addition, the doors won't move because they're set in place for actually being moved very soon. So you'll see a lot of construction stuff that will actually come with your home. We put it all inside, secure it during the shipping. So this again is a Prescott. The kitchen features hickory, our Advantage cabinets with hickory doors in Tescott, and they are stained onyx. It kind of looks gray, so I'm going to give you a close-up of all this. I believe this is white Italian Pesco Wilson Art laminate, which this color combination is really nice. These would be white matte subway tiles with gray grout. This is a really nice feature everyone should add to their home. You'll see this little knob, and I can lower the dim of this or raise it. So you'll see the little lights under your cabinets. That's definitely a nice feature to have in your home. This one features a very different stack. You can get this in your home, and this one has quite intricate detailing on it. If you want to know specifics about this home, just ask your project manager about house 5914, and we can get you all the details. This is a common thing. You'll see doors missing in a lot of the homes that I shoot when they're getting ready to be moved. That's because the owner is using that to match other things like carpeting or laminate or whatever else you need. You're welcome to take a cabinet door home. This is a good way to show you the color of this. Right now it looks pretty accurate on my screen to what I'm actually seeing. Remember, doors or drawers are a big deal. You can change these out. This looks like it's probably where your trash goes. Yep. And in looking at this plan online, I know that this cabinet here, this island, is different. It's actually a little bit smaller, and you can switch that out and add what you want. Think about doors versus drawers here too. And this would be a Lazy Susan in the corner here. This fireplace, I'll come back and shoot it. It's pretty phenomenal. I really like it. Okay, at the bottom here, you're gonna see a pantry. So this is a pocket door on this pantry. So it's, as you can see, down at the bottom, we have it wedged shut so that when it's shipping, there's not a problem. So you'll see it nice and open right now. This is our Craftsman trim. And I love this little spot right here. So this is actually like a broom closet. And when you have a little extra space, those are super nice. So the bottom part is pretty large compared to the top. So you can, dog food or something could be in there, but certainly a broom closet, whatever you may need. I'm gonna go around here. I will get back to this because that's really nice. But this is our typical configuration for a master bedroom. You can put your bed right underneath it. That window combination is quite popular. This one actually has been stubbed for a TV. There will certainly be a panel on that, but that's something you should think about. Wi-Fi or whatever you may want, have us wire that in. If you want speakers, have us wire that stuff in so you don't have to go back through and figure out how to do that later. This is a barn door. This one chose the nickel finish for the hardware. And this is something I want everybody to think about too. So here we have a single sink vanity versus a double sink vanity. Does the double sink, is that something you want for cost, or do you want the space on your vanity? That's something you'll have to decide if you really need the second sink or if you'd prefer the space. This would be our typical sink, which is very modern. And again, if you want to know any of these specific colors, you can send me a Facebook message and I'll let you know what those were at any time. There's a linen cabinet. And as we ship homes, you won't see any globes around the lighting fixtures, so they may look a little boring, but that's because there's nothing around them because we need to ship them. We're certainly not going to put glass on them when they're going down the road. This is a nice little window. And here we have a walk-in shower. You're going to see blue tape here in a second. That's just so that dust does not come up as it's being shipped. I'm going to try to get all of this in. You'll see a nice bench. And don't forget to add these caddies. Now, all of these typically that I've seen anymore go all the way up to the top. Super nice. And remember, this has a lifetime warranty, so Onyx will guarantee this for life should you have any problems. And this is super easy to clean. There's no grout. So it might be a little bit more of an expense at the moment, but long term, super easy to clean. Here is your walk-in closet. Again, everything like your light fixtures, etc., they'll be shipped here. Trying to get behind here, and you can see that this actually has, and I cannot open this door, actually has, this is a great space for like shoes, sweaters. That's a great shoe shelf. So again, this is what we do to your doors to wedge them. They're wedged, as you can see, on both sides to make sure that this is not going to move when it's being shipped and to keep it safe and nice. Here's another spot. Just think of doors and drawers and what you want. Again, we're going to go past this little broom closet. Here's the other side of your island. And this one chose a half wall. Now you can do a half craftsman wall. You can do a wall with rails. This is just a wall with an end cap on it. You're going to see a lot of stuff that's coming with your house loose here. And I love, love, love this fireplace. That's pretty striking with that mantle and certainly very large. And that's standard tile. And again, you'll see above it that there is a place already for your TV to plug in. We've already wired that for you. Right off of the kitchen, you're going to have this really fabulous pantry. That is a super nice sized pantry right there. This would be where your stairs are going to be, so you're going to go down there. It's a super nice pantry. And on the opposite side of the pantry, you're going to have your second bathroom. That is a standard shower. That's actually a pretty nice sized vanity space in this one. I'm going to take you to what would be the third bedroom or the office. You get to decide what it is you're going to use this for. I think this is 12 by 9'8". And there are closet doors here, which is why it can be used as either. We're going to go into the second bedroom now. There's nothing really to show there. We have the closet. Now this has some built-in shelving in this walk-in closet. That's a pretty nice size closet. We're gonna show you the laundry area with our built-in cubbies that everyone gets. You can put hooks on those too for your coats, etc. This is where you'd enter from the garage. And these are the cabinets where your washer and dryer would go. So it doesn't take too long to get in from the laundry before you have a bathroom available to you. Again, house 5914, this is the Prescott plan.